Don't skip this video. If you're in your mid-30s and up, this workout is for you. At Body Game University, we use light weights and full body workout techniques to help you lose weight and get in shape fast. Just follow along with the exercises you see here and get ready to accelerate your body transformation journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our workouts here at Body Game University. Here are a few workout tips. Number 1, make sure that you're taking deep breaths during and after each exercise. Number 2, concentrate on squeezing your ab muscles during each exercise to strengthen your core. Lastly, focus on technique so that you don't get injured and so that you receive the best result from your workout. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our Body Game U content. Great job. Let's take a quick break. Relax, take deep breaths, think about your body transformation goals, and get ready for the second half of your workout. We're about to finish our workout. Now's the time to give it all you got and finish up strong. Make sure to check out our other workout videos at the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. Until our next workout, thank you for joining us at Body Game University.